Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blue rock candy without corn syrup. First, gather your simple ingredients: sugar, water, and blue food coloring. You'll also need a few basic tools like a saucepan, a heat-safe jar, and some wooden skewers. The key to success lies in the precise ratio of sugar to water, which we'll cover next. Get ready to create some beautiful, edible crystals. Now, let's prepare the sugar solution. In your saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Do not let it boil rapidly. Once clear, remove from heat and stir in a few drops of blue food coloring to achieve your desired vibrant hue. Next, we'll prepare your crystal seeds. Dip one end of each wooden skewer into the warm sugar solution, then roll it in granulated sugar. This creates a rough surface for crystals to cling to. Allow these sugar-coated skewers to dry completely for at least 2 hours. Once dry, carefully suspend them in your heat-safe jar, ensuring they don't touch the bottom or sides. Now for the exciting part, growing your crystals. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed spot away from direct sunlight. Over the next 5 to 7 days, you'll see beautiful blue crystals slowly form and grow on your skewers. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove the rock candy from the jar. Let them air dry completely on parchment paper before enjoying your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.